Hello and welcome to a short scene, a very short scene. This is almost off topic, but it is not. Um, I have a box here, small box. I got it today in the mail. I bought these things on Monday evening and then it came today. So this is a electronics store and all of the stuff inside this box was supposed to be used on my layout. So what this means is that it's going to be a new stage. Some new stuff is going to happen here. So I'm going to open it for you. I'm going to show you what I got here. At least what I think. I hope it's in here. It's the first time I shop on this store. So let's see what happens here. I'm going to open this. Probably let me just put no editing on the video. Sorry, I will try to do this without cutting the video, without video editing. Okay, so here we go. Try to cut the plastic here, not to mess with the goods inside. It's done. So let's go. We have cables, jumper cables, as you can see, matches, more cables, jumper cables, more white LEDs, push button. I got a kind of silly project for this one day. Some switches. Yeah, 4 switches. A very small switch. This is for my Fowler type cars project. More here. Infrared sensors. You may start guessing what is going on here. 4 of them. A bunch of resistors. Different qualities. Oh, didn't remember what this was. These are rectifying bridges. Because I have Marklin AC current to work with the LEDs, they work on DC. A board for practicing my electronics before making anything stupid. And what the hell is going on here? More LEDs, red ones. Try to show you on the. It's not quite clear. Big bags for small things. Oh, this is a lamp, a light bulb. This will be for a replacement for my locals, the old locals I have. This was the last piece on the store, and it even doesn't have the same voltage on these ones. But I bought it just for trying. Another one of those very small switches. You can barely see it here. More the light bulb. Oh, this is nice because it's very small. A servo. They only have this one, but for now, I only need one. And last but not least, an Arduino Uno. My first experience with these things. Now this is the good stuff in here because I've never used this. I have very little knowledge of understanding of automation and all of this, but I'm willing to try to make some stuff, some animations here on my layout, so try to give it a bit more of life. I in the meanwhile I've tried on the virtual Arduino online. I've already tried some things, so I already wrote some code, so I guess I can start doing something. The idea is try to bring a little more life to the layout. I won't be messing with the track because I have Marklin with digital control. Already is digital, so I won't be messing with that, especially because it's AC current, and here we are dealing with DC current, so this could go wrong, very wrong. So I don't be messing with that, but I want to build some other stuff that can try to make my layout a bit more interesting. So this is smaller than I thought. I knew it was a small thing, but here it is. Arduino Uno. Eventually, this is a phone camera, so you'll be mirrored. The image will be mirrored, but even has this plate will be useful. And so this is it. I hope in the next weeks I'll be able to share some interesting content with you guys. So stick around and well, see ya.